Good evening to everyone. Why Goddess Kali appeared before Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa? Do you know? I will share with you. Ramakrishna grew upon his fathers, learning the names of his ancestors and the humans of gods and goddesses. But his greatest delight was to listen to the stories of Hindu epics. Ramakrishna was 7 years old when his father died, and this incident left a huge impact on him. For the first time in life, he realized that everything on earth was impermanent. At the age of 16, he went to Kolkata to work with his older brother as a priest and improve the financial conditions of his family. At the time, there lived a rich widow in Kolkata named Rani Rasmani, who belonged to the Sudra caste. She was worthy to know for her business abilities, intelligence and for her devotion to God. In 1847, Rani Rasmani purchased 20 acre land at Dakshineshwar, a village about 4 miles north of Kolkata, when she wholeheartedly spent lavish amount to establish a temple for the Ishtadevi, which was the divine Mother Kali. Ramakrishna's older brother grew ill. He wanted Ramakrishna to take the role of the priest in the Kali temple. He often advised his brother to learn the intricate rules and rituals for the worship of Kali temple to become a priest from off initiation from a qualified guru. But for Ramakrishna, learning techniques to worship with the emotions and thus chose to forego the opportunity to serve Kali. One day, the priest of the Radhakanda temple accidentally chopped the idol of Krishna on the floor, breaking one of its legs. The priest advised Rani Rasmani to install a new idol since the worship of one with a broken limb was against the scriptural instructions. But the Rani was fond of the idol and asked Sri Ramakrishna's opinion on it. In 1856, Ramakrishna's older brother took his last breath. Rani Rasmani's son-in-law mother begged Ramakrishna to take charge of the worship of Kali temple. He began to either forget or drop the formalities of worship. His only desire was to see Ma Kali. He would rub his face on the ground and weep that people started thinking he had gone insane. He would scream in misery, "Are you true, mother? Or is it all a fiction? If you would exist, why do I not see you? Are we a mad fantasy of the religion?" He almost gave up on feed and sleep, left him altogether, but little did he know that he would not have to wait too long. Once, when he was anxious and restless, he picked up a sword that was kept in Mother Kali's temple to kill himself. Suddenly, the goddess appeared in front of him. In that moment, he loved to see nothing else in the world, not even his own existence. All his eyes were able to see was the form of Kali. This vision disappeared immediately. It is said that with his ever-growing devotion for Ma Kali, Sri Ramakrishna had several visions of Kali later in life. Thank you.